Welcome back, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this is my third attempt at making this video, and I'm getting a bit sick of it. So here we go, third time lucky. Today, what we're going to be looking at is Simpsons rule. So last lesson, we kind of touched on how we can estimate the area of shapes by approximating it with a mathematical shape. So, for example, the question from last week, obviously that kind of looks like a rectangle, so we could estimate it with a rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. Right. Now what we're doing is looking at ones that we look at here and we think, well, we can't really put that into a box of a rectangle because there's quite a bit missing and it's just a bit complicated. So we use this rule called Simpsons rule. All right. And when we use Simpsons rule, we draw lines which are called offsets, where we split the shape into two regions of equal width. All right. So along here we find the middle point and we draw a line which is called an offset. All right. And then the area of the shape is then estimated by, the width. So the width of each region, because you've obviously split it into equal regions. So the width over 3 divided by 3 times by length of this first block, and then plus 4 times the length of this of your offset, and plus the length of your end of your shape. All right. So I'm going to go through question 1b with you. All right. And I will write the formula in as well, as you guys should, up the top. So area approximately, let's get rid of that, equals width over 3, and in brackets we've got length O plus 4 times length 1 plus length 2. All right, so for this shape here, we've got area approximately equals width is 10, so we go 10 over 3. All right, then in brackets, our first length is 8 centimeters, so we go 8, all right, plus 4 times by 7 plus. Now, this is one of those cases where if there isn't a length at the end there, we just write 0. All right. Whereas in this one, we would write 3, but in this sort of irregular shape, we use 0. So then area approximately equals 10 over 3 times by, then we know 8, and then 4 times 7 equals 28. So 28 plus 8 is 36. All right, and then we scroll down just to give ourselves a bit more room. Area approximately equals 120 meters squared, and that's that. All right. If you have any questions, come give us a yell. I'm glad that I finally got this one over and done with properly. And yeah, I'll see you in class.